Hello everyone, today we shall study our next ICC program, determine the type of triangle. We shall ask the user to enter three sides of triangle, and based on the three sides we shall determine whether triangle is possible or not. And if it is possible, we shall determine what type of triangle is possible. First, we are importing the scanner class using the import statement java.util.star. You all know that Java is a package and util is a sub package in Java, and star is a wildcard character, which asterisk, this is asterisk, which means wildcard character. That means all the classes belonging to util package is being imported here. We could have simply written the scanner class because our intention is to import the scanner class. Why do we need a scanner class? Because to take input from the user, we require a scanner class. Public class triangle type. Triangle type is the name of the class. We know that name of the class should commence with capital letter. This is a convention. Then starts the main function. This is the syntax of the main function. I have elaborated on the main function in other programs, so I am not explaining it separately here. First, we are declaring three integer variables, A, B, and C. Then, using the scanner class, we are creating an object. Scanner in new scanner system.in. We are creating an object in of the scanner class. Now, why do we need an object of scanner class? Because we want to invoke the functions in the scanner class. Functions using which we can take input from the user. Then, in the statement, enter the three sides of triangle. We are asking the user to enter the three sides of triangles. Three sides which are entered by the user, we are collecting in variable A, B, and C. In.nextInt, we are storing in A. In.nextInt in B. In.nextInt in C. So we are storing all the three sides in three different variables A, B, and C. Now we shall determine whether triangle is possible or not. How do we determine? Rule for a valid triangle is that sum of two sides must be greater than the third side. And we are checking it. If A plus B is less than equal to C, if the sum of two sides is less than the third side, or if the sum of B plus C is less than A, or if B plus A is less than B, if any of this condition is true, that means triangle is invalid and we shall terminate the program. And if the triangle is valid, we shall proceed to the else portion where we will determine the type of triangle which is possible. System out print line, the triangle is possible. Now what type of triangle is possible? Let us see. If A into A plus B into B is equal to C into C, or B into B plus C into C is equal to A into A, or C into C plus A into A is equal to B into B. That means if sum square of the two sides of a triangle is equal to square of the third side, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. Else if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, that means all the three sides, if they are similar, the triangle is an equilateral triangle. And else if, even if that condition is also not true, if A is not equal to B and B not equal to C and C not equal to A, that means all the three sides are not equal, then triangle is scalene. A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C, and C not equal to C. That means none of the three sides are equal, then the triangle is scalene triangle. That means triangle which has all sides having different values. So we have come to the end of our class explaining this program. Hope you all have enjoyed and understood it. If you have any problem, you can directly contact me. Do keep following this channel for latest update. Thank you.